Hi Sadhna. So for our constructed project, let's start our questionnaire. Please introduce yourself. Let's start our
Yes,
questions.
Sarika. Hello. Yes, Sarika. Hello. My name is Sadhnya. My student ID is FT41 underscore 474400 from PY 205. And yeah, you can ask the question.
Okay. So can you please explain the situation where you had to make critical decisions that impacted the project direction?
Yes. During the project, we faced a key decision like whether to conduct a broad analysis for the global startup funding or to focus on the specific region. After team discussion, we choose to concentrate on some kind of a region like Europe, North America, USA, where we had the most comprehensive data. And the focused approach enabled us to deliver deeper insight and more actionable recommendation for the stakeholder in this market.
Okay. So what would you do differently if you were to start this project over again?
Okay. So if I were to start this project over again, I would like to allocate more time for the initial data exploration phase to thoroughly understand what kind of data it is and understand the identify the potential issues earlier. And additionally, I would incorporate advanced analytic techniques such as machine learning to predict the future funding trends, enhancing our insights. I would also like to prioritize integrating relevant APIs to enrich our data sources and provide more comprehensive analysis. Furthermore, gathering users' feedback from the outset would ensure our analysis align with the stakeholder what they need. And this approach would lead to more robust and impactful project overall.
Okay. So can you please explain the architecture of your project and why was it designed this way?
Okay, so the architecture of our project is of three key component. Have the three key component like data ingestion and data pre-processing, data visualization that is the via the Streamlit. So the design ensure a clear separation of concerns, simplifying management and the maintenance. So, particularly in data visualization, we utilize a Streamlit dashboard to present our finding through interactive visualization. So we enabling data exploration and enhancing the decision making. This modular architecture of our project enhances scalability, allowing us for easy integration of the new data sources and methods while supporting efficient collaboration among the team members. And overall, this approach maximizes the effectiveness of our analytical solution.
Okay. So, how did you collaborate with other team members on this project? Can you give an example of how you resolved a conflict or a disagreement?
Okay, so we collaborated through a regular meeting to discuss progress and challenges. During one meeting, we encountered a conflict while cleaning the data. I discovered that filling NaN values with a specific column with median was not appropriate as it could distort the analysis. Instead, I identified that relationship between the company's founding year and its funding round year. Okay, that like on which year the company get its first funding. So I proposed using the relation between that and fill the missing values more accurately. After discussing this approach with the team, we agreed to implement it, and which led to more reliable data set. This experience not only resolved the immediate issue but also highlighted the importance of data context and in our cleaning process ultimately improves the quality of the analysis because filling with median is not that much effective every time. So we need to check for the correlation between the column set also. So this is the conflict that we faced and we resolved it.
Okay. So, what was your contribution in this project?
Okay, so my contribution in the project were I think so very impactful. I I I must say. First is the workflow of the development. I contributed to establishing the project workflow and provided a research ideas that guided our analysis further. And also contribute to the key feature identification. I contributed identifying critical features for EDA, shaping our data exploration and strategy. I contributed to leading the data cleaning efforts, and I proposed a more accurate method for filling NaN values in the founded year and funded year we have discussed earlier. And then for the advanced visualization, I contributed for the making the graphs like map geographical graphs and all, and also authorizing the README file to provide clear instruction and context for our project. I also significantly built the interactive dashboard using Steam Deck. I also contributed in that part also. So, yeah,
Okay, Sabina, thank you.
yeah. Thank you so much, Sarika.